Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Some persons said that Abaribe received Igbo treatment on the Senate floor today, and he walked out of the Senate chamber while the session was going on. Now, this is what happened. Okay, there is a motion to honor Humphrey Nwosu. Nwosu was the INEC head then, like INEC chairman today. Let me just put it in that way. So he was the electoral head that conducted the election of Abionda then, that saw Abionda, becoming victorious when Babangida and Abacha colluded to cancel the election. So the Senate deputy president was the one presiding over today, and a lot of people from the north were telling him that the bill is controversial, and that was why he left the Senate floor. Now, to come with, the bill is not controversial. I think the bill is normal. I made a video during June 12th and I said why June 12th is a fraud. Okay, and in that video I said the real hero of the June 12th is Humphrey Nwosu, because today, in a failed Nigeria, you will see INEC chairman manipulating election result and so on and so forth. So if Nwosu, or if Mahmoud Yakubu is the one that was in the position of Nwosu, he will even be the one to tell them that Abionda did not win the election. So no need to annul the election because Abionda did not win. Can you just imagine? And they said they will not honor this man that is controversial. So Abaribe walked out of the Senate floor. Take a listen.
The Senate shall by resolution regulate its procedure. So even if the Senate leader says that it doesn't follow, by the fact that a senator wants to make a personal explanation, you must give that senator a chance to make that personal explanation. We are not under a dictatorship, Mr. President. That is why I'm using 1B to come. A discussion, you say we can't talk, we don't talk.
Former minority leader.
Thank you, Mr.
Very
President.
experienced.
I'm glad that you recognize that I was a former minority leader.
Thank you very much.
I know the rules.
Yes, former majority leader, former minority leader. When we came this morning, you approached me in respect of your desire to bring forward this motion under Order 4151. You never told me you were bringing it under Order 42. And when it came under 4151, it was defeated. Now you change your mind to bring it under Order 42. We know, we respect you very well. That wasn't discussed. If it was discussed, when the leader came in, I called him. I said, Senator Abaribe is bringing a motion under 4151, and we agreed. Normally have to consult with the leadership, and we agreed that it was going to be brought forward. But leader, did I tell you that he's going to bring a motion under Order 42? So you didn't approach me, you didn't tell me. And I just want to be transparent and plain. You didn't tell me. If you had told me, there's no way I would have stopped you. There's a process. If you have told us that you are going to bring the motion under Order 42, we will oblige you.
Mr. President, I don't know what is controversial for immortalizing Humphrey Nwosu and
Jim Kuta on the Agricultural Research Council of Nigeria Act Amendment Bill 2025, SB 756. Mr. President, you may wish to invite the Clerk of the Senate to read the short title of the bill.
The Clerk of the Senate.
So that was what happened today. Okay, let me know what you think. Do you think that Abaribe was wrong to have walked out of the Senate? For me, no, I don't think he's wrong. Okay, I think he's right to walk out of embarrassment and disrespect. Come on, Abaribe is a senior man in the Senate there, so he ought not to be ignored and embarrassed by bringing a good motion. So